In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to add a link to a TikTok bio. TikTok is blowing up really big at the moment, and for businesses and entrepreneurs and that, a lot of people are on TikTok now. It's good to have like a website on there as well that people can actually click through, where you can obviously sell people or direct people to a certain product or service, free gift or anything like that. So today we're going to be showing you exactly how to do it, the simple steps, and we're going to be going across and we're going to be covering it on my mobile and showing you the steps you need to take. So let's go and do that right now. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come on to my TikTok account, and as you can see, I am fairly new on TikTok, so I'm learning all the time, which is why I'm sharing these tips with you, because I'm finding out as we go as well. We need to find out how to add a link to our TikTok bio. Now, as you can see, my bio at the moment has got a link in there. It's got what we call a bit.ly link, which is a link that I've shortened down to get the least amount of characters, okay, so I can get it in there nice and easy. But at the moment, it's not clickable, okay, so if you've got a new account or you've got a personal account, this is going to be the problem you have. Now, you could leave it like that and people could copy and paste it into the browser and then visit your website or wherever you're sending them, but that's not ideal. So the other ways, there's two other ways you can get a link, a clickable link into your bio, and we're going to go through and tell you both of those. Now the first one is pretty simple. You have to get to 1,000 followers, and then it allows you to actually put a clickable website link into your bio. Now the other way is that you would need to make sure you've got a business account. So if you come up to the top right hand corner here, as you can see down the bottom here, it says here Business Suite. So I have already got a business account. So if you haven't already got a business account, if you come down here to Settings and Privacy and Account, and then it says here, this will say here, switch to a business account. At the moment, obviously mine is a business account, so it says switch to personal account. So you just need to click that, change that to a business account. So that's the first thing you need to do. Make sure you've got a business account, and then it does allow you then to actually place a website into your bio. So if we go into the business suite, really good to have a business account, especially obviously if you're looking to make money online, because it gives you loads of other different things that you don't normally get with a normal account. But we need to then head to business registration. It's filled in some of this stuff. I'm going to obviously do my business account very shortly. As you can see, you put in your legal business name, or your country and region, so obviously mine, United Kingdom. Put in your full address here, which I've still got to add in, and then obviously do your zip code and that. And then you do a phone number, etc. And just follow all the steps that you have to actually fill in. So one thing you will need to do is put in your business license. Okay, so when you actually register a business, you should get a business license, and this will be the number that you actually put in. And if you're serious about actually making money online and starting your own business, then this is a good thing to do anyway. It's free to do normally, and then you can just add in your business license right there. And also at the bottom here, as you can see, it has an option of a website. So you can put in any website you like here. So I've just put a link in there just to show you. And then once you've done everything, click on the next button, take you through to the next bit. You will then have to upload proof of your license ID as well. So you can't really just put anything in here, guys, because they possibly might check it. And then obviously you could get your account banned, which you don't want to do. Play by the rules. It's not worth trying to shortcut the system at all, so you might as well just do that. But once you've done that and the registration's been accepted, etc., when you come back to your account here, you will have a link here, which will be your website link, which will be totally clickable. And that is the only way that you can get a clickable link in there, unless obviously, like you say, you've got 1,000 followers. Now for most business accounts, 1,000 followers could be quite a lot, because you don't really want to get followers that are not interested in your business. So you're not looking for videos to go viral on TikTok. This option is the best option to get your website link in your TikTok bio. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Obviously, follow me on TikTok as well. And also, there's a link below to join our Facebook community. Come over and join that too. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.